Measure outcomes, not hours. Naiinis ka ba kapag ang empleyado mo ay nagte-take it easy lang? Feeling mo kapag hindi sila mukhang busy, hindi sila productive? Si Martin at saka si Shell, they learned this lesson the hard way sa negosyo nila. Problema ni Martin, he measured effort, not results. Pag nakita niyang busy ang empleyado, feeling niya productive na siya. Pero kung mukhang relax, naiinis siya. Bakit parang walang ginagawa? Ang tanong niya. Pero ang katotohanan, yung mukhang busy, mabagal ang output. Pero yung mukhang relax, mabilis matapos, mataas ang quality. Kasi iba-iba ang working style ng tao, anak. Shell asked him, sabi niya, Love, what do you really care about? Kung gaano sila ka-busy o ano ang natapos na nila? Sabi ni Martin, syempre yung natapos. So, why are you measuring how busy they look? Kaya medyo tinamaan siya. Sabi niya, okay. Shift na lang ako to outcome-based management. Yun yung tinuro ko sa kanila. In case of you should be working 8 hours, naging you should finish 5 projects this week. Basta na-meet ang deadline at maganda ang quality, okay na. Kung natapos in 6 hours, great. Kung kailangan ng 10 hours, that's fine too. Basta on time. And the staff, they loved it kasi they felt trusted. They managed their own time. At saka ang resulta, actually, nag-improve pa. Kasi when people feel trusted, they perform better. And when they feel micromanaged, they do the minimum lang. Kaya anak, stop counting hours. Start measuring results. Judge your team based on what they deliver and not how busy they look. That's how you build a high-performing, motivated team, anak. Sa bawat isang role, i-define natin what does success look like this week. I-track natin yan. Hindi yung oras, but the outcomes. You will see a shift in both productivity and morale. Kaya, let's be business-minded, Pinoy.